So this Type-R, Honda Type-R, we have it in for a clutch replacement. Basically what was happening on it when it was getting hot, it was hard to disengage, to be able to engage the gear. And what we want to show is that this car, it has high performance clutch. Now here how it looks a normal clutch. This does not belong to this car, but just for an example. So this is the clutch disc and this is the pressure plate, and here the bearing press on it to release the plate and be able to for the disc to move in freely, so allow the gear changing. Now let me show you how this looks like. We are still in progress of taking it off. Hopefully we're gonna see it soon. Until then, this is the clutch bearing, and on this one, this was noisy. This is the original bearing. So when the pedal was fully depressed, this was noisy. Obviously it's going to come with a new clutch. We've inspected the fork. We don't see any damage on it, so we can use same fork, but we're going to replace this clutch. And as an interesting aspect, this clutch is very expensive, in about region of £1,000 for the clutch. I would say it's quite expensive comparing with a standard clutch, which usually is about £200–300 here. But when you go to performance components, they're always much more expensive. So let's see if we can have this one off, just to show you a glimpse how it looks like. Because it has multiple discs and plates, totally different. Hi, Arthur. What's important on removing and also on installing, so they all are slackened gradually, and also on installing a new clutch, you install and tighten them gradually. They are already loosened, and then we're just taking them out. The performance clutch having multi-disc, what it helps, the clutch can take on a lot more torque comparing to the one disc system. So multiple discs, if you think about it, it means higher surface of grip, reducing the chances of clutch slipping. Obviously for track days and things like that, a normal clutch will go very quick compared with a multi-clutch disc, as this case. So it's like a pack. Let's see. So it's quite an interesting setup. So if you look at it, there's a disc, there's a plate, there's a disc, there's a plate. So a pack that does pretty much same job as this one, you know, just one disc. As I said, bigger surface, bigger grip, lower chances to have a clutch slip. One downside on those type of clutches, they're very hard on operation. You feel it straight away on the pedal, and the biting point is usually very low. Because we had problems with it engaging, having problem on engaging gears when it was hot. We've advised the customer to replace it. Again, quite expensive, but this is where we are at the moment. We're waiting for the new parts to turn up, and just want to highlight how a performance clutch looks like comparing to a standard one on this Toyota Type-R, but it's similar setup on other vehicles.